Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. Today I am bringing you look number 6 in our 13 Days of Halloween series with this Masquerade Zombie. This is a super beginner friendly look using prosthetics you can get from the Halloween store. So let's just jump right into it. So with the 2 large latex prosthetics I have, I'm just backing them with some Prozade and using that to adhere it to my chest and the side of my neck. And then I'm also using these FX transfers. I've never used these before, but they are amazing. Pretty much you just treat it just like a temporary tattoo. You place the prosthetic where you want it, dampen the back of the paper for about 30 seconds, and then just peel it off, and bam, you got a creepy zombie mouth. I'm using a second FX transfer on the side of my cheek, and this one looks like some exposed teeth. And I'm just using the towel to kind of take off the excess moisture from the FX transfers by blotting it. Don't scrape or nothing. So while all that is just kind of settling onto my skin, I am darkening up one of my eyes using an eyeshadow primer beforehand, and then just taking a dark brown shadow and completely blacking out that eye. Again, we're going to be wearing a mask, so pretty much I just want that area to be darkened. And then whatever's left over on the brush, I'm kind of using that to contour my cheekbones and my nose in a really kind of messy, dirty way. And then taking a brown water activated face paint and taking this on a brush and flicking it all over the place to create a really kind of dirty, gritty complexion on my skin. We're then going to use some scab blood, and I'm going to be just taking this on a cotton swab and placing it inside all of the openings of the prosthetic to really give it a gross, bloody texture. And then I'm using some fake blood on a stippling sponge and placing this pretty much all over the place, but especially along the edges of the prosthetic to hide them a little bit better. And then going back in with that fake blood and also putting this on a brush and flicking it all over the place for more of a splatter effect. I'm then going in with some water activated face paints and detailing the face prosthetics and really kind of accenting the details in there. And then I'm going in with black and just filling in all of that negative area on my chin, using the stippling sponge with the fake blood along the edges of that prosthetic, and then also finishing up detailing the cheek piece as well. And don't forget to add more scab blood. So for the eye portion of this look, I'm just placing a cotton pad with some Prozade on one side, placing this over the eye that I'm going to be covering, and then using liquid latex along the edges and all over the cotton pad. Once the latex is completely dry, I'm then going in with those water activated face paints, a combination of black, brown, and red, and just dirtying up that cotton pad, and then also going in with some more blood, really adding texture to that. And then I'm putting some scab blood right in the center to add more depth and dimension in that area. Once that's all good to go, I'm taking this hanging eye prosthetic that I found on Amazon. It is so cool. I absolutely love it. I wish you could actually see the eyeball better, but it's awesome, trust me. I'm just using some Prozade on the base of that and sticking that onto the center of the eyepiece there. Once that's dried down, I'm then going to go ahead and put my little bunny mask on, working the eyeball through one of those holes and placing that on my head. You can obviously use any kind of mask you want. I just wanted to use this one for a really long time, so here we go. Once I got my mask on, I'm then going in and further dirtying it up, bloodying it up, doing all that good stuff, really also putting a lot of focus of blood around the eyeball that's hanging out. And then that's it, you guys. You are now a Masquerade zombie. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and to also join our little creep family with our 13 Days of Halloween series this year. If you're not already, go follow me on Instagram as well. I post a lot of fun content on there. As always, thank you guys so much. I love you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Mwah.